Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Hyundai Sonata SE. Really nice vehicle. I'm a big fan of it. Gotta open the trunk from the inside or the key fob. Really nice. Good amount of room back there. Tons of room back here too. This armrest. Nice interior. Really nice. All of these knob styles have a nice touch to them, nice feel. Good quality materials throughout. There's your backup camera. But yeah, let's go ahead, go for a drive. So this has, what is it, the 2.4 liter inline four. That's right. I've always loved Hyundai and Kia's turn signal sounds. They're not the typical click, click, click. You know, they have a nice, luxurious sound to them, kind of soothing sound. It's really nice. Is that a Nash Metropolitan? It is! You don't see many of those on the road. For I believe it was 2018, the Sonata got a pretty good refresh, improved front fascia, just overall appearance upgrades, and then of course for 2020 we got a brand new redesign. Not bad at all. Gets up to speed nicely. You have a couple different drive modes: comfort, eco, and sport. I've been driving it mainly in sport. Give it a whirl in comfort mode. Steering gets a little bit lighter, throttle response is lessened a little bit, makes it more comfortable to drive. In Eco, throttle response is lessened even more. Makes it really easy to be nice and smooth and get the most fuel economy you can out of the car. However, the best mode is sport mode. Steering is weighted up a little bit. It's not unbearable by any stretch of the imagination. Throttle response is increased a little bit and just makes it a little bit more lively. Wow, all the cars are out today. So you do have a kick down pedal, meaning you can floor it and then push a little bit harder. You'll feel a click in the pedal and it drops it into the lowest possible gear, which is great for if you need all the power. You just stomp your foot down, drops as many gears as it can, and you're off to the races. So that was flooring it without kick down. And now with kick down, it's a lot quicker to downshift. It's one of those features I love that they're putting into cars now. Just makes the transmission, automatic transmissions, a little bit smarter. So it's like, all right, just floor it and you're good. On top of that, you do have a manual mode, which is a dedicated manual mode, meaning it's not going to downshift on you if you were to floor it in a higher gear. Even activating kick down, which I personally like. I like to have full control over the vehicle sometimes, which is good. It will auto upshift for you. Now it's time for some handling tests. I personally love this road. Good mix of corners. Now onto the suspension. Get it lined up. Wow, that's really, really good. Really good handling. It's a nice lively chassis. Definitely excited to see in the future with the Hyundai Sonata N line and see what that is like. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.